Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Half-inch ratchet torque wrench is on the tightening side. The adjustments over here: unlock, lock. The lettering behind here is in foot-pounds. You turn this till you get to the correct foot-pounds. 80 pounds. No need for me to show you how to take it off with a cross wrench or an emergency cross wrench. But you can see that if I take this particular one, that I am tightening it, loosening it, and I am simply going to take that one off. So these are all basically loosened, ready to come off for my work. But I am going to show you how to tighten this up and show you what I don't like about using torque wrenches. It's going to rub against your car. Something you don't want to do. Well, they make smaller ones. It's going to rub against your wheel. Not what I want to do. This is a 3/8. This is a 1/2 inch. You're gonna listen for the click. I'm gonna do my best not to damage my car. So I want to make sure I am in the lock position. Here I go. So as I start to tighten, you're going to notice a click. This is sliding as I'm turning. So I do it over here, which gives me more clearance to do. So here we go, getting ready to make that click. That is tight, 80 pounds. If you don't know your spec for torquing a SUV wheel, I suggest to look for it. I feel this is 100 pounds torque, or between 80 to 100. What happens if I over tighten everything? Nothing. It's about a month later and nothing has happened. I've done this for many years, nothing has happened. But here, people want you to use a torque wrench to do the job. Now, you can simply turn this around and you can simply untorque it. And you can see how easy this comes off. You don't hear the click. Wait, if I don't hear the click for taking it off, am I under torqued? That's something people don't talk about. So that's why I don't use a torque wrench. It's not mandatory for you to use one. But if I simply come here and I start to tighten up my bolt, the top bolt, here's what I'm going to do. People kind of complain when I emphasize on video the strength I used for that. The top one, tightening. See if I am torqued or near the spec. Here we go. Man, you guys are professionals out there. You can tell that from the video that I am spot on with my cross wrench and torquing. Have a great day. Let's get to the brake video.